Hello ladies, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz. I'm at my local Lancome counter at Dillard's. It is gift with purchase time. The spring gift with purchase is free gift, value $164 if you spend $39.50. And the gift has the bag this time is a square shaped, cute little waffle texture bag. And the gift with purchase, you can choose either between two skincare sets. Now this one is the Lancome Absolue Soft Cream and Eye Cream, and it comes with a Lait Galate cleanser and a full-size Cils Booster mascara primer. Or you can choose between the Renergie Lifting and Firming, and it's got the newer 300 peptide cream. I'm anxious to try that, with the Cream Mousse Comfort Cleanser. And each set contains these three things, and that is the trial size of the Monsieur Big Mascara, the trial size of the Cils Booster Primer, and French Tea mini size lipstick. It is such a beautiful, beautiful shade. You have got to see this. It is absolutely beautiful. To me, more of a fall color than a spring color, but with any of the sets, you get those three products, and if you spend $80, you get a step up. That's the full size Bifacil makeup remover and the Idole mascara. And we've got the Lancome eye palette here. That's a Hypnose eye palette. But if you spend $160, they will add two full-size products with the Tonique Comfort Toner and the La Vie Belle full-size lotion. But you guys, you can pre-sell at any Lancome counter right now. Just go find your beauty advisor. And the gift is live in the stores April 12th, but I'm telling you, to get your choice of product, always pre-sale first. And I will have a video coming up of my unboxing when I pick up my gift, because I did pre-sale on April 12th. You guys, take care. Much love.